Today, we're talking about prop firms. If you want to scale faster as a trader, prop firms are a great tool to utilize. But all of them out there claim to be the best. But today, I want to talk about why Alpha Futures actually is the best. Main three things that you'll see our traders talk about, and I'm going to be talking about some more reasons today, but the main three things our traders give us feedback is going to be faster support, fast payouts, and larger payout caps. Now, on top of those three main things, we do have accounts tailored to each trading style. That's what I'm going to be going over today because those three things remain the same on all three, but I want you to understand which plan is best for you here today. Up first is our zero accounts, named after their $0 activation fee. This is best for those traders that are maybe operating on a budget and looking to get access to their qualified account as quickly as possible. Our zero accounts are one-day pass, meaning there is no consistency rule on your evaluation. You can pass this trade in one session if you want to. Now, of course, that shouldn't be the focus, but just know it is a possibility on your zero account evaluations. Now, when it comes to the qualified account, as I said, there is a $0 activation fee to get your qualified account on these zero accounts. Once in your qualified account, you can pay yourself every 5 winning days of $200 or more as long as you have satisfied your 40% consistency rule, which if you don't know what that means, please check out the help center, but it means your largest day cannot be more than 40% of your net profit on the account in between each payout. Up next is our standard account. You'll notice here all of our accounts do have a name that aligns with the plan or the consumer somehow. Standard account is going to be the most similar to what you see in the futures industry. This was the very first account we ever launched, but there's of course some benefits of using our standard account versus other firms. Up first, standard account is going to be a 2-day pass minimum. So what that means is there is a 50% consistency rule on your evaluation. I just mentioned it just a minute ago on our zero accounts. That means in your evaluation, your largest day cannot be more than 50% of your net profit on the account. Easiest way to think of this is just split your winning days into 2 to pass your evaluation as quickly as you would like. But again, that should not be your focus on your evaluations. It should just be trading consistently and profitably, but you can pass these accounts in as little as 2 days. A nice thing to note about our evaluations here on our standard accounts is that our profit target to drawdown ratio is going to be the same across all standard account sizes. So what I mean by that is our standard accounts, our profit target on all sizes is 6%. The drawdown on all sizes is 4%. If you take a look at some of the industry leaders, every single one of them tightens their drawdown or increases the profit target anytime you choose a 100K or larger account size. You can see them right here. Now, after passing your evaluation, the standard account, in my opinion, is best for our patient traders. It only takes 3 trading days to be able to satisfy a 40% consistency rule, same as the zero account. The difference here with the standard accounts, if you want to, you can wait 2 weeks for your payout date. So standard accounts payout dates are every 14 calendar days, not trading days, from the first trading day you have placed on your qualified account. So if you satisfy that 40% consistency rule in your first 3 days, you can wait another 11 calendar days if you want to and just take your payout then. This is why I mentioned the standard account is best for our more patient traders out there. Now, a huge benefit of the Alpha Futures standard account, our standard accounts do boast a $15,000 payout cap per request per account. So if you have 3 qualified accounts, yes, you may request $15,000 on each of those accounts every payout cycle. Definitely the best for our most patient traders out there. And of course, the Alpha Futures payout cap rewards those consistent traders here. And finally, this brings us to my personal favorite account we offer here at Alpha Futures, and that is the advanced account. So similar to the standard account, it does have a 2-day pass. The advanced accounts do have a slightly higher profit target at 8%. It is right in the name. This is for our more advanced traders, so the evaluation is a little bit tougher, but it also does have a 50% consistency rule on evaluation, but no consistency rule on your qualified account. That is my personal favorite feature about our advanced accounts. It definitely favors my trading style best, just because I am somebody that likes to play with the trend. So when I catch big trend days, I don't have to worry about satisfying my consistency rule immediately the next day. Next benefit of our advanced account, again, just kind of feeding into the freedom this account truly unlocks for you as a prop trader. there are no news trading restrictions on our advanced accounts here at Alpha Futures. So I'm not somebody that really trades news, nor does it feed into my trading strategy or style, but it is just nice knowing you don't have to look over your shoulder, looking at events that day. You can just trade your style, trade your plan. If you get caught in an event, execute how you need to. These are for people that already do know how to work around those high impact events and already have habits as a trader, knowing when to take profit or cut a trade. So nice little freedom piece there on the advanced account is the no news restrictions. Another thing you'll see our advanced plan offers that not many others in the space do is going to be no scaling plan. So those of you are probably familiar with it. It is at the largest offerings in the space that is going to be unlocking more buying power as you gain on the account. The advanced plan gives you full leverage right away when you open your account. Again, our advanced plan has no scaling rule. Get access to all of your contracts right away. And there's just very, very limited plans in the space that have this much freedom like our advanced account. One more thing I really like about the advanced plan as far as rules go is going to be the scaling daily loss limit. So I personally am a huge fan of daily loss limits. I know some people in the space don't like them. Some people love them. I'm personally a fan because it keeps me from blowing the account in one day. But something I do agree with the people out there that maybe say DLL should be gone all the time is the ability to earn more risk. So our daily loss limit on our advanced plans actually grows with the account. So it is always 2% of the active balance of the account, meaning if you start the day at a higher balance than you did yesterday, your daily loss limit will be a higher value that day. It also goes the other way. If your account is in drawdown, your daily loss limit will shrink with it, keeping you from blowing that account in one day. Something I'm a huge fan of. It's helped me develop a lot of discipline as a trader, but I totally agree. As you gain on the account, you should be able to earn a little bit more risk. That is the point of a scaling daily loss limit on the advanced accounts. Just a nice feature we added in there. And of course, the advanced plan still boasts our $15,000 payout cap per request, per account. The nice thing about the advanced plan versus the standard plan, it is going to be 90% split from the start. There is no tiered structure the way you see on our standard account. So again, it is right in the name. This is for our most advanced, our most consistent traders, people that have already formed habits and are really looking to scale their trading, scale their payouts, and take their trading career to the next level. Again, my personal favorite's got to be the advanced account, but all three of our accounts there, zero, standard, and advanced, tailored to each type of trader. Whatever you're looking for, we've got it here at Alpha Futures. The three things that our traders consistently tell us their favorite things about Alpha Futures are and why they stick with us: support, fast payouts, and larger payout caps. Number one being our support team. We do have staff available 24 hours a day during weekdays. We also do have limited staff on weekends, but overall, anytime you open a ticket, whether it be on Discord or Intercom, our team responds in less than 30 seconds. Our average response time as I'm shooting this video is actually right around 12 seconds. We have not seen many other firms in the space with that kind of attentiveness to their support tickets. We are here to help you guys around the clock. And of course, there's some great personalities in our Discord and on our staff. If you guys are even just looking to have a laugh, our team is always here, but we will always make sure you're always taken care of in your support tickets first. Number two is going to be fast payouts. Our average payout time right now, as I'm making this video, is just under 5 business hours. So that means if you request in the morning, you are processed, approved, and paid by the afternoon. That is something we have tried to stick by since we launched here at Alpha Futures. Now, that is our average processing time, but every payout here at Alpha Futures is processed within 24 hours of request. Something we see at many other firms sometimes is 2 to 3 business days. We don't want to see our traders sweating, wondering what's going on with their payout. You will always be processed within 24 hours. And of course, if you ever have questions, I just mentioned our support team is available around the clock, responds in just seconds. If you have questions on your payout, you can always feel free to open a support ticket. We'd be glad to help you. But average payout time is just under 5 business hours. And the third thing, largest payout caps in the industry. It's become way too normal in the space to see payout caps as small as $1,000 pre-split. So we're talking about $800 post-split. And our second closest competitor as it stands right now is a $5,000 payout cap. That's only 33% of our $15,000 payout cap here at Alpha Futures. There's just not many others in the space doing it the way we are, paying out as quickly and the amounts to our traders that we are here at Alpha Futures. We love our products. We love our traders. Looking forward to continuing to make improvements for you guys, but love the feedback so far. And we're very, very happy to have you here with us at Alpha Futures.